Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to Software, New, Solid, Part Modeling, untick this Use Default Template, click OK. Now our dimension are in mm, so choose your dimension template as Newton solid absolute and click OK. Now we can see different planes and sketch modeling. Go to Sketch, select the plane, front plane I'm taking, front plane, Sketch, Sketch view. Go to the model. Now I'm going to start with any one of the line or circle. So I'm going to start with the circle. So the radius of 100. The radius of 50, that means diameter is 100. Go here, take circle and press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter is 100. Go to fit screen. Now we have created this one. Go to the model. Second circle diameter is 64. This diameter is 64. Press enter. Now we have created this two circle. Now go to the model. Now I'm going to create this one. Use freehand sketch to draw this one. Just go to line, click here, and join here and press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now first constraint we just want to specify is symmetric. Select this point and this point, make it this is symmetric. Now go to the model here. This height is 75. Then this distance is 25 plus 6 plus 25. Go here, go to dimension. From this center point, from this point is 75 and this dimension is 56. Now we have specified. Then we just go to the model. We just want to specify this slot. For this, go to take the line again, select this point and click here and press the roller to confirm. Again select this point and click here and press the roller to confirm. Again press roller to confirm. Now we just want to delete unwanted segments. For that, go to delete segment, click here, delete this edge, delete this two edges, delete these two edges also, and this edge also we don't want. Select this one and select this one. Now press the roller. You can see this pink surface. That means your geometry is closed one. Now go to the model. This distance is 6 of symmetry. For that, make that point as symmetry. This point, and select this axis. Now these 2 points are symmetry. And this line length, this line is 25. It will set automatically. Okay. Now go to the model. Here we have completed our sketch. Then we just want to make a sketch of here. For that, create a circle of a diameter 25. From the distance from the center point is 100. Go here, take the circle with the center point, press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter is 25 and the distance from this center point to this circle center point is 100. For that, go to dimension, click this center point, click this one and click the mouse roller at mid location. From this here, this distance is 100. Press enter. Now go to the model. 25 we have created, and one more circle with a diameter of 50. Then we just want to connect between these lines. Go to circle with center point, click this one, press the roller to confirm. This diameter is 50. Now go to line, just make a connection between this. Press the roller to confirm, again connect here and press the roller to press here and press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to make this two lines symmetric to this axis. For that, go here, this distance is 10. Go to symmetric, select this point and make symmetric. This is horizontal line, so need not to specify here. Okay. Now go to delete segment, delete this one and delete this one. Again delete this edge and delete this edge. Press the roller to confirm. Now you can see this is a complete model. That means our sketch is closed. Go to dimension, from here to here 10. Go to the sketch. Now we have created our complete sketch. Now click OK to confirm. This is our sketch we have created. Go to extrude, make this symmetric and make this value as 50 and press enter and click OK. Now we have created our 3D model also. Just for viewing, go to appearance, click this one and apply to our part, and again go to appearance, it will apply to our part. For 3D view with a smooth, go to analysis, go to application, there is a option called render studio. Before that, just go here, untick all the planes and make shading with edges. Now go to render studio. So wait for some times. Now our object will render into 3D view. Now our object is completely rendered. Now you can look our object with 3D model. So in this we have completed our tutorial. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.